Are you ready to take your business to the next level in 2024? Are you tired of juggling countless marketing and CRM tools? Well, it's time to discover the one platform that does it all for you. In this video, we are going to explore the top 3 reasons why GoHighLevel or GHL is the essential tool you need to revolutionize your marketing strategy, streamline operations, and boost your overall return on investment. And stay tuned to learn how this powerful platform can transform your business. The first reason we are going to touch on today is streamlined marketing and automation. In today's fast-paced world, efficiency is key. You want to work smarter, not harder. GHL consolidates all of your marketing tools into a single user-friendly platform. So no need for multiple logins and all these different zaps and integrations. One platform and it does it all. This means you no longer need to juggle all the different softwares for email marketing, SMS campaigns, social media management, and more. And the automation feature allows you to set up campaigns that run themselves, saving you time and reducing the overall human error. And by streamlining your marketing efforts, you can focus on what truly matters, which is growing your business. Now, if you're not already signed up with GHL, we have a free and extended 30-day trial in the description with tons of personal branding bonuses to not just try out GHL, but to take GHL and then go do more with it and to grow your business in the process as well. The second reason is GHL offers enhanced customer relationship management, otherwise known as CRM. Now, if you don't have a CRM right now, this is a good place to start. But if you're struggling to utilize the current CRM you have and maximize it to its fullest capacity, then GHL is going to be a great fit for you as well. Customer relationships and the management of those relationships are the backbone of any successful business. And GoHighLevel CRM tools provide a comprehensive system for managing and nurturing your customer base. With detailed customer profiles, automated follow-ups, and personalized communication, you can ensure that no lead falls through the cracks. That's one thing that I hear all the time is we have leads coming in, but we're not capitalizing on them and we have a leaky bucket. That's going to fix this problem. And with improved customer management leads to higher satisfaction rates, increased loyalty, and ultimately more sales, more reviews, more repeat business. In 2024, customer service is paramount, and GoHighLevel gives you the tools to excel at that. And the last, but definitely not least, reason why you should be using GoHighLevel here in 2024 is it provides increased return on investment and business growth. Let's just talk about the thing on the surface level, which is GHL is a fraction of the cost of all the different tools you're likely utilizing today. So by just switching over to GoHighLevel and using its basic functionality and replacing a lot of the tools you're already using, you're going to see a return on investment and a decrease in expenses. But when you really utilize this platform, you're going to see even higher return on investment and your business is going to grow in the process. Every business aims to maximize return on investment, and GoHighLevel is designed to help you achieve just that. By integrating all of your marketing and CRM tools, you gain valuable insights into what works and what doesn't. Everything is literally connected in one place. And so with this data-driven approach, it allows you to make informed decisions to boost your return on investment and to stop doing the crap that's costing you money and not serving your business. Additionally, the platform's features support lead generation, nurturing, and conversion, driving that overall business growth. Companies using GoHighLevel have reported significant improvements in their bottom line, making it a must-have tool in 2024. With GoHighLevel, your business can achieve new heights that it was never able to do previously. So streamline your operations, enhance customer relationships, and boost your return on investment all within inside of GoHighLevel. Are you ready to transform your business strategy and overall marketing and CRM software and initiatives? Dive in and see the difference for yourself. Everyone can use streamlined marketing and automation, enhanced customer relationship management, and increased return on investment in business growth in 2024. Who can't? Take a look at our previous videos going over GHL's amazing features and competitive advantages. And if you haven't done so already and you're curious to see how it works, make sure to click the link below for a free trial so you can test out some of the game-changing features yourself. And you'll see some extended and free bonuses with tons of personal branding activities and strategies and courses and things like that that you'll see below. And if you do need help scaling your business with personal branding and need our help, the first step is to join our free Facebook community, which is also in the description, but you can go over to Facebook and type in Builders of Authority into the search bar. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so that way you get notified each and every single time we publish a new video. And remember, authority isn't built overnight, it's built over time.